Spit him! Woo! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. I'm sorry I haven't been posting lately. I didn't want to vlog with just a GoPro Hero 3 Plus. It was kind of lame, but the content wasn't lame. I wasn't lame. You're not lame. We're lit. Anyways, welcome back again. Today we're gonna go on a waterfall hike, and maybe if the conditions are right and the situation is good, we're gonna go rappelling. So hopefully it's good. So stick around, guys. Check it out. Yay! So excuse the messy room. Here's my climbing gear. Got my beaners. Got some rope. Yeah. 150 rope. 150 feet rope. So hopefully we can rappel today. Should be good. Got another harness, but I won't be needing it today. Not a bunch of mess. Anyways, we're good to go. Gotta get something to eat at least.
What we getting? Yes.
Alright, we made it! Jeez. It's a beautiful day in Hawaii. How's it? So I don't know, I'm thinking if I should bring the rope or not. I don't wanna bring it and we can't rappel. But I don't wanna not bring it and then we can rappel, then I'm gonna be like, ah, shit, I brought them. I don't know. That's alright, I guess I'll bring it anyway. Spit him! Old car, rubber down, roger that. What up, babe? Gee, we is in here. Okay. Wow, look at over here, it looks nice. Alright, a little lost. No, we're not lost. We just don't want to take the hard way. I don't know. Yeah, I think if we go down that way, should be the one. Go. A little slippery. If we fall and slip, I'm putting you on ridiculousness. Alright, little sketchy. That's alright. How you doing, babe? Now watch your step, please. Alright. I can hear the waterfall too. We're getting closer. Can you guys hear the waterfall falling? This is not even a trail, we're making our own, I guess. Yeah, I see a little bit. Here's a sneak peek. We get ready. I didn't even get to use you. I wanted to rappel right around here, go down there, but I don't see a way to get up there. I'm sure that there is a way, but I'm not in the mood to find it right now. So no rappelling, all that packing the gear for nothing. Well, it wasn't for nothing. We did it for training, so ha. All right, time to eat. What you got? Salmon salad. All right. Okay. sandwich here. I got a sandwich. I'm gonna eat up, take some pictures, get a load of this waterfall. Alright guys, I guess we're finished over here. I got enough of the waterfall. She did. We got some sick pics. It was alright. It was amateur kind. Mine. But yeah guys, we're gonna start heading our way back. So stick around some more. Just like that, Kit Kat. Okay, we came across a very hard part of the trail. If you slip and fall. She already did. Right over here. Oh yeah, there it is. Proof. But I wasn't recording. Well, that was an obstacle course that we just went through. Holy crap. Whew. I'm surprised you're the most dirty over here. You should have brought my GoPro, huh? Yeah, put it on your head, yeah. Alright. We are almost there. Whew. How you doing, babe?
Great.
We're almost there. We're almost there. I hear cars. That hike wasn't even that bad, but it was to me. Nah. Nah. Alright guys, that is the vlog. If you like what you see, like, subscribe, share, comment, do what you gotta do. Please do it for us. Thank you for your support. I'm back. I'm gonna try and push out at least one vlog or 2 vlogs a week, at least once a week. Stick around guys, more of this waterfall hiking stuff going on. Maybe in the future we can get to rappelling. Unfortunately we didn't get to do it today, but mind a bird. It is all good because I'm ready for next time. Woo! Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you guys later. Cheers!